Are you like me? Do you have tubs and tubs of jewelry around your house? Yes, I am a jewelry lady, but sometimes this is how I organize my stuff. Well, today I want to share with you some awesome tips that I found from our local dollar store. Yes, hashtag addicted to the dollar store. So hello everybody, my name is Jen Gear and I'm going to show you some tricks on how to take this to organized, super easy, and yes, super affordable. So my jewelry, it gets like this. This is my personal collection. Now, my personal collection next to my larger collection that I sell, I totally keep separate, not secret. So if you're tuning in, say hello, welcome, welcome. And let me get started. So the dollar store is an affordable place to find all kinds of things. And if you get your creative juices flowing, you'll be like, oh my gosh, right? So today while I was there, I found these awesome hangers. Now these are velvet hangers, okay? Now I found two kinds of hangers I want to show you how you can use for your bracelets. Whether you have the traditional clasp hook bracelets, right? Or whether you have wrap bracelets, these, when you put them on there, they're not going to really slide. Like if you had a metal hanger or a plastic hanger, they would really, really slide. But this is one of those, you know, like velvet feeling. So it's not going to slide. If you want to get really creative, you can use these. These are shower hooks, right? And you could color coordinate your bracelets. I'm not that creative, right? I could be, but it just depends on the day. So this one is one of the hangers I found, and I showed you. You could just put your wrap bracelets on it, your clasp bracelets, and then you can hang it in your closet, right? So it's up and out of the way. Or you could put a tack in the wall, a nail if you like, and hang it up for some decoration in your bathroom. The other one I found, I was so excited for this. Check this out. This is one of those scarf hangers. But when I seen it, I was all, light bulb! That would be so cool for wrap bracelets. Now, I am a wrap addict. I put a lot of wraps on these to show you today, and I still have a tub. These are amazing, and you can see, I want to show you this. Mine are very well loved. I probably had this bracelet for 5 or 6 years. You can see it even has paint on it. No, it's not blood. That's paint, right? But there's so many fun wrap bracelets that Paparazzi comes out with. They always change because we have no catalogs. But when you have something like this, you could put scarves in it. Hello, everybody. Or you could put your wrap bracelets, right? So super simple. Again, you can put it in your closet and hang up. Also like necklaces, right? Have you ever used a hanger for necklaces? If you use that felt stuff, they're not going to slide and get all crazy, right? You want it to just slide in. And look at that, hang that up. Plus, I think that would be super cute on the wall. Yeah. All right, let's see our next one. So this one is out of the craft section in the dollar store. It is to make wreaths. Who makes wreaths? If you do, I think you are amazing. I am great at making wrap wreaths, right? Your wrap bracelets can go around it. You can add it. You can just keep adding them on there. You could color coordinate them so they are the colors of the rainbow, right? Red, orange, yellow, Roy G. Biv. You could have some fun with it. But this is, again, a super cheap way that, again, put a tack on the wall, put a nail on the wall, put it on a hanger, and hang it in your closet. Like, you really could have some fun with these. And if you're like, I need a blue wrap bracelet, instead of digging in here, that's all my stuff, right? It's right there, and you can pull it off super quick. The next one you might think of, and some of you might have one of these. If you put your bracelets on a vase, shout out vase if you use a vase. Now these vases, right, same thing, super affordable. Stack them on there. I use these for my memory coils, for my bangles, a lot of my cuffs, my little stretchies. They're all on there. So to see the little cuffs there, that's what these vases, and you can get more narrow vases if you like as well, but you could put flowers in there too, right? So a vase idea is super fun for your bracelets. Now here's the next one. Now this one is probably the easiest, right? And you probably have one of these around your house. It's for paper towels. Yes, look at that. You can put your wrap bracelets, your bangle bracelets, anything like that. You see that. On a paper towel rack. $1 is all it costs cost to get these at the dollar store, you guys. So check that out. And then this is the only difference is for this one. If you want the one on the bottom, you just unsnap it, right? So these I would use for wrap bracelets. If I want my stretchy one down here on the bottom, yes, I'd have to take the others off. But I like that I can visually see it. Now, when it's in a tub like this, or these clear tubs, yep, these are my jewelry. Yeah, I'm organized in my boutique, in my personal collection. It's a hot mess. It always is. I'm like, I don't know what I want to wear today. So from organizing this, where you have cuff bracelets, you have wrap bracelets. I mean, these I've had for years from paparazzi. So there's such a big variety, but I'm like, I don't ever see them because they are in my tub. You guys, I hope you enjoyed today's quick tip. If you want my tip sheet, drop Jen's tip sheet below. I will totally send it to you. I hope you are enjoying your day. Thanks for catching me live, or I do have my YouTube channel, Jen Gear, where there's lots more tips to help you out. We'll see y'all later.